In this tutorial, you will learn the different methods to easily share files using AgFiniti. There are three ways to share files. The first is to email files to users who do not have their own AgFiniti account. The second is to share files with other AgFiniti account users. The third is to share files with third-party connected applications. To share files, go to My Files. Here, you will select the files you would like to share. To share files one of three ways, click Share. This will bring up the Choose a Sharing Options dialog, where you can choose to share a link with others outside of your operation using email or an app of your choice. Or share files with other AgFiniti users where the file will appear in their Shared Files page. Or files can be shared with third-party connected applications. Our first option is to share a link. Click on Link. This will take you to the Share a Link dialog. You can either create an email to send the link or copy the link to send a different way. This feature allows you to share your files with others even if they are not an AgFiniti user. The link that is being sent is an Ag data file that will be downloaded when they click on the link. If you would like to share files with another AgFiniti user, click AgFiniti User. The Share with Other AgFiniti Users dialog will open, where you will type the email address of the AgFiniti account you would like to share the files with. Choose if you want to share with just the account owner or if you want to allow coworkers in these accounts to also have access. Add any message you wish to share with them, and select how long you would like to share the files for. You can share the files for as little as 1 day, an entire year, or forever, and there are many choices in between. When you click Confirm, the account that you shared will receive a notification that the file has been shared with them. An email will also be sent to you with the details about the files you just shared. After sharing a file, the sharing icon will be displayed to the right of the file details. If you wish to stop sharing a file before the expiration date that you previously selected, click on Edit File. Under the current sharings for this file selection, use the drop-down menu to choose Stop Sharing and click Save. The final option is to share with a connected application. You will need to click here to add a connection. This will take you to the Connected Applications screen, where you can set up your third-party applications to connect to your AgFiniti account. Data will automatically be synced with AgFiniti. When someone shares a file with you, they will appear in the Shared Files tab of the File Transfer page. From this page, you can choose to download or copy files that have been shared with you, remove files, or even email shared files. Files that appear in the Shared Files screen do not count towards the data storage maximums available with each of your AgFiniti Essentials license. Now you have learned how to share files in AgFiniti. For more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.